Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah. It's your boy Flex McKenzie, and in today's video, I'm gonna test the Siser Twinkle vinyl. It's not easy vinyl because there's a difference between an easy vinyl and the other vinyl. So if it said easy weed vinyl, then it's easy weed. But then if it just say the name of the vinyl, like Twinkle, Twinkle Little Stars, how I wonder how this test gonna go. So if it say Twinkle vinyl, it's not easy weed, but it is the Siser vinyl. You understand where I'm going? Good, because I don't know where I'm going with this. But anyway, so I'm gonna test it. This is it. I got it. I know it came out a while, but I was just letting other people try it and see, if it worth testing. And so far, yeah, it looks okay. The other people are testing it, so I'm just gonna go test it right now and see how well. But what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna make a t-shirt for a friend using this because they wanted this on a t-shirt. So I'm gonna make that little shirt for her. First of all, this is so exciting. I gotta tell you guys, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Guess what? Your boy need your help. I need your help to get to 1,000. So I need you to hit that subscribe button, share the video to all your friends, tell them there's a new bad boy in town that they need to watch. Yeah. Okay, so I need you guys' help. I need you to get me there. Just let me get up there, almost up the mountain. So hit the subscribe button, share the video, smash that like button for me. And don't forget, down below in the comment, your boy got a lot of good stuff down there you could go check out. And also visit my website, www.comfortstyle.com, and shop. 15% off for you guys. And when I hit 1,000, I'll drop it lower. I'll go to, I won't tell you guys now until I hit 1,000. So anyway, let's roll into the video. Okay, but I want you guys to know you cannot use this. I mean, you could use it, but I think it's not recommended for you to layer it. But I'm gonna go test it right now and see how well it works, because I'm dying to use this for my clients. So anyway, enough talking. Let's get into cutting the Twinkle Little Stars. I'm gonna test it to see the little cut first. So it's doing that little cut mark on the side. Okay, so I'm gonna test it. I'll be right back. I wanted to show you guys how I weed it, but then I realized I didn't hit record, so my apology, but this is how it is. And it weed pretty easy. It's no easy weed, but it weed pretty easy. So let's head over to the press. I already went ahead and preheat everything, put the design down, line it up. Now I'm gonna put a cover sheet on it. It has to be 15 seconds, and it's a warm peel. So let's go ahead and do it. So it's for 15 seconds, warm peel. Now, I don't know what warm is, because I don't usually do anything warm. All right, so I don't know what warm is, because everything that I peel is hot. Let's do that. You can see it. All right, I think it's a little hot. Maybe if I remove this from underneath it. All right, that feel about warm. Let's do it. Hey, that's it. That's what it looked like. Hey, Stan Banks, what do you think? Did I tuck and roll? Bro, you know I learned a lot from you. You were one of the few people that I learned how to screen print. So if you said I don't tuck and roll, I believe that's what you said. Well, I'm gonna practice tuck and roll. So I hope you see this video, and I want you to let me know if I'm rolling it the right way. If not, I just keep on practicing. But this is the finished shirt. It feels good. I mean, it's not glitter all over like you would expect it to be, but it feels good. I'm not used to peeling things warm, but I'm not gonna really go wash it anymore. I changed my mind. What I'm gonna do, I'm giving this to someone, a friend, so I'm gonna let them wash it and tell me, you know, did it peel off or not? But the way it looks amazing. I love the way it look. You know, this is something I would add to my store. You know, it's fantastic. So that's the Twinkle. That's the Siser Twinkle. Remember, it's not an easy weed vinyl, but it peels just like the easy weed. You know, but anyway, that's all I got for you. But before I go, I want to give a shout out to my sister. You watch my video. My sister watches my video, so you know, that's really good. You know, you always got this one family member you get happy when they watch your video. Well, I found out my sister Gina watched my video, so props to her for watching my videos, because I didn't know. So I'm a little happy. So sister, kudos to you. So anyway, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button, or should I say bell? Bell is better. Hit that notification bell and smash that like button for me. Drop me a comment. Head over to my website, www.comfortstyles.com, and check down below. I got some wonderful stuff down there. You know, of course, I might put where you could find this. No, but you could find this anyway. So anyway, that's all. I'll catch you on my next video. This is your boy Flex. Guess what? I'm out.